We're taking a look at the EBT double up functionality. And so first we're going to see the settings for how it's configured. We're going to the EBT settings and we have the things set up. These are the items that we identified as EBT items. We should not put Grizzly on that list. Okay. And then we have double up incentive. These are the items that we identified as items that are qualified for double up incentive, and it's just this one item. All right, and so now we have this thing activated and it issues coupons. So we're going to run some transactions. So we're going to grab something, well, we can just go straight to the item that actually is both. So this item here is EBT item and is qualified for a coupon, and we have $93 worth, so that should definitely give us our 15 bucks. And again, I'm paying as if this was the EBT payment, and even if I don't print my original receipt, it will still kick out the coupon. So it's not necessarily required to print a receipt, it'll still do. And so here's our coupon, and it's worth 15 bucks, right? So it says that right there. And now we can so we're in the next transaction. This can be same day, next day, regardless. And we can say that we're doing 16, well, not 16 pounds. Let's do 1 pound. So that's $6. So let's do 2 pounds. That's $12. All right, so that's good enough. So we have $2, 2 pounds worth, and it's $12. And we have this coupon, which we can go ahead and scan. Oh, there it is, right there. All right, so we have our coupon, right? So we redeemed 12 bucks, $12.50, making this transaction free, which you can just close out this way. And there should be another coupon printing for the remainder of that value. There it is. Oh. So here we go. And now we have some transactions that we've done. So we can go back to the inventory plus, click on the settings here, and we're going to click on the EBT reports, and it's going to show us these are the qualified transactions. So it just shows the $12.50 that we redeemed with this coupon. So we can go ahead and email this report. So it was sent to this address, and then we can take a look at other coupons issued and claimed. So coupons issued, here it is, and it's basically because this is the active coupon right now, $2.50, you know, and so we can go ahead and email this report. Coupons claimed, it's basically the same thing as the first one, so we can go ahead and email this report. Email. I'm not sure if the emails or not. All right, and then we can go to EBT approved and not approved items. So here's the EBT approved and not approved items. So we can take a look at this report. Not approved items. So these are not approved items. We can email that report. And then we have double up approved items. There should be just one on the list. Here it is, email report. All right, so these are all the reports that we have and the double up functionality.